Today I am going to tell you a story of two naughty friends. Monu the monkey. Say hi. Hello everyone. He is very naughty. Yeah. One day he wanted to play with his friend. So he invited his best friend. His name was Mickey. And Mickey the mouse came to Monu's house to play with him. And they both played a lot and they had lots and lots of fun. They played different games and they had lots of fun. After playing at home, they went out and they climbed up the mango tree. Guess what did they eat over there? Yes, they ate mangoes. And then they were playing and playing. They got very tired and they were hungry too. So they came home and Monu called out his mama. Mama, where are you? We are back. We are very hungry. Can you get some food? And Mama got some yummy food. Yes, yummy food. Let's place the mat first. Yummy Maggie. Some more mangoes and a mug of milk. Both of them ate yummy Maggie and mangoes. And then Monu wanted to drink the milk. He took the mug and he was drinking milk. And when he was drinking, the milk spilled out. And Monu was very upset. He was not happy about it, spilling the milk down, because the floor became very dirty and he did not like dirty things. What do you think he must have done? Yes, he's very responsible. He immediately got the mop and he cleaned the floor. They finished their snack and they started playing again. They put the things back, they finished everything and they again started playing. So did you enjoy the story? Okay, now tell me the names of the characters and the names of the objects that we used in the story. Yes, start. Okay? Mickey the mouse. Reshma ma'am, please write Mickey the mouse.
Bye.
What's the next? Monkey. Yes, monkey. Mango. Mug. Tell me, what was there in the mug? Milk, yes. It was the tasty thing that Monu and Mickey ate. Yes. Maggie, Maggie. What did they place on the table? Right. Mat. What else was there? Mango tree. Yes, mango tree. And something happened in the story and Monu got something to clean the floor. What was that? Yes, mop to clean the floor. Lovely, lovely. So, look at the board. Look at the board. Mouse, monkey, mango, mop, mug, milk, Maggie, mat, mango tree. Do you hear something in common? Do you hear something in common, Reshma ma'am?
Yes, Archana ma'am.
Do you hear something in common? Correct. You're listening to a common sound. What is that common sound are you listening to? Ma. You're right. Mouse. Monkey. Mango. Mop. Mug. Milk. Maggie. Mat. Mango tree. Superb. So ma is a sound. Do you know how to write ma? Reshma ma'am, will you teach them how to write ma?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Learn?
Yes. So we start with the dot. Okay? Dot. Top to bottom. We start from the top to bottom. Go up. Take a U-turn. Again, go up and take one more U-turn. Yes. If you use this clue and if you write this letter formation, you will never forget how to write ma. Yeah? Now one more challenge. Now go around your house and look for more objects, more things that begins with ma sound. Yes, I'm giving you 2 minutes. Go run around your house. Pick up the objects that begins with ma sound. Let me see who is getting the objects that begins with ma sound. Ready? Yes.
Go.